How to download and install Rumble application. So if you want to download and install Rumble application, you need to simply open up your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've opened, you can go for the search and then search for Rumble. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And if you have a stable internet connection, you need to simply open up your Rumble or your Rumble Studio. And now simply tap on install. Once you tap on install, it will start the install process, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. But once it's downloaded, you will have open option on the right side. You can simply tap on that open, and you can sign into your account, or you can sign up to your account if you don't have an account, and you can use your application. So that's how you can download and install the Rumble application on your Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.